Greetings! Hello, and welcome to 12 Days of Glam Skin in one day, because we're going to open them all today. So this is Gorgeous Glow by My Beauty Spot. So we have 12 beauty surprises. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. I decided to treat myself to 12 days of glam skin. So I'm so excited. Let's get into day one. I think we can slide open it. Alright. The reveal. We will start with day one. It's a cute little Josh straight bag. I love it. Let's see what the surprise is. Okay. I actually love it because my name is Sharon the Rose. So I actually love it. Day one is a rose. Hello there, Sharon La Rose here. All right. Let's go for day two. I really love this color. I love the bag. Let's untie it and see what the surprise is. See what the surprise is. That is okay. All right. Day two is also a rose. All right. Day three. Let's see what day three is. Let's see what the surprise is on day three. Ew, it's a gorgeous glow, scented. I like the colors of the aesthetic. It's a gorgeous glow, scented body butter, cashmere rose and vanilla, collagen, vitamin C, argan oil. All right. Okay. Put a little bit on my hands right now and see how that feels. Very nice. That really feels nice. Go to day four. See what the surprise is. Let's see what the surprise is on day four. Ooh, it's a bath bomb. I don't know what the scent is, but we have a small mini bath bomb. So that's what day four is. A bath. All right, we have made it to day five. Let's see what the surprise is on day five. There's definitely something in there. Let's see what it is. Ooh, gorgeous glow bar soap, cashmere rose and vanilla, vitamin E, and argan oil. So we have bar soap. Ooh, let's see what the surprise is on day six. Definitely something squishy. Let me see if I can guess. It feels like a loofah. So let's see what it is. I'm right. It's a loofah to get your skin gorgeous and glowing. So it's day 7. Let's see what this gorgeous glow for our skin is doing On day 7. Day 7. Oh, it's another bath bomb. Okay, so we got 2 bath bombs. Love the colors, love the aesthetic. All right, so we got bath bombs. Awesome. Moving right along to day 8, right here. Let's see what we have. Let's see what the surprise is on day 8. What'd you know? It's another bath bomb. So we got 3 bath bombs. Woohoo! Yes, we're gonna get our skin nice and clean, huh? Day 9. What do we have for day 9? These bags are so cute. I'm gonna keep a couple of them to put other things in. What do we have? Ooh, I love that. So we have Gorgeous Glow Scented Body Lotion, Cashmere, Rose, and Vanilla. Let's try some on my hand. Oh, they got it nice and sealed here. I'm gonna peel off this. I'm gonna put some on my hand. Rub that in. Make sure my hands are not ashy, but yes, we have Gorgeous Glow Scented Body Lotion. Ooh, it smells yummy. I feel like a holiday candle. Yes, I feel like a holiday candle. I'm so excited. Ooh, I like the way that feels. Okay, come through. We have 3. We are on day 10. On the 10th day, what do we have here? Let's see what the surprise is. Let me see if I can guess. Body wash? It is. It's scented body wash. I just was going with the theme. Oh, it's very, very sealed, so I'll go put that in the bathroom. Ooh. If I was going on a date or something, I definitely, if I want to smell super yummy and like scrumdiddlyumptious, I'm gonna use this Cashmere Rose and Vanilla body wash. So cute. All right, we have 2 more surprises. We're on day 11. We're getting so close to the finale. Let's see what's day 11. Ooh, that's gold. Ooh, some more hand scented lotion. Yes. Up day 12. Let's see what day 12 has to offer. Dun, 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 dun. Another lotion. So I have these cute little lotions to keep in my purse. So 3 lotions. I've got 3 bath bombs. I've got a body wash, loofah, some body butter, soap, bar soap, and some roses. All right, well that was my 12 days of glam skin. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy glamming.